The fastest creature on Earth is not a cheetah, not a car. It's a bird, and it's not even close. The peregrine falcon dives at 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One car at full speed. It spots prey from 3 kilometers away, then becomes a literal missile. Nature built the perfect killing machine and gave it wings and feathers so nobody would suspect anything. Diabolical, honestly. Fastest creature alive. Looks innocent. Absolutely is not. Did you know this bird was faster than a race car? Comment yes or no. Subscribe to No Way, That's Real.